channel. This is still Kamsi Space. In Kamsi Space, we make videos on food recipes, vlogs, and lifestyle. Yes, in today's video, I want to show you another style of making egusi soup. In our previous videos, I was showing my daughters how to make egusi soup, but that one was non-fried. So today is another method of egusi soup. So guys, you know egusi soup is made with one kind of pumpkin seed called melon seed. So join me, but first, if you like this video, stick with me. Subscribe, comment, like and share. Guys, comment helps us to know who are watching our videos. We really need to communicate. Yeah, that's the way of communicating. Yeah, thank you for commenting on other previous videos, but this particular one, please grab your chair, come sit with me, let's cook together. Yeah, let's get started. Yeah, I have some ingredients with me here. I have red meat, I have dry fish, ponmo, stockfish, unground melon seed, red oil, ground crayfish, pepper. I'm using two combinations of pepper, yellow pepper and red bell pepper. I'm using two vegetables, Uzuza and Okazi. So let's get started. So first we are going to cook the meat until it is soft. And salt to taste. Cook until it is soft. We'll add the stockfish. Maybe in next 2 minutes we'll add the stockfish. Now I have to grind the pepper combination with onion. I like red bell pepper. I like it because it gives me a nice taste. You know, this method is a stew base. So I'm grinding it together. Yeah, at this point I have to add the stockfish. Of course, this is soup, so you have to add the adequate water that will be enough for it. Yeah guys, I have to grind the melon seed. I prefer using this melon seed and grind them myself. That way you are sure of the quality of the seed. Pre-ground egusi is not always the best. Either you get sand or maybe they didn't sieve it before grinding. So I prefer buying the seed one to grind myself. Yeah, I like putting crayfish when I'm grinding the egusi seed. Yeah, I like slicing the ponmo. I don't put it together with the meat because it's already soft. I like getting the soft ones. So I'm going to use hot water to soak it before the meat will get soft. I'll add it, and also to remove some taste. Let's put it direct there, some taste in case that I don't like. I like to get it small when I'm eating. I like getting the small, traffic in the soup. I'm slicing the Uzuza leaf.
ponmo di makamo wede basujede una huo ije love mo 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 munachi.
Yeah, I like using this kind of dry fish.
Onye na-eme mma n'izuru oke n'ezie, otu aka na-eru mba n'izuru oke n'ezie, n'etiti ahụ siri ike ị na-egosi onwe gị, ọ dịghị chi ọzọ dịka gị, izuru oke n'ezie. Ojobara kunwa n'afọ chimo izuru oke n'ezie. Jehovah Jireh izuru oke n'ezie.
In another pot, add the palm oil and put it on your heat. Allow it to bleach for a minute. Add the onion and stir. Add the fish. And ponmo. Stir it. Allow it to fry a bit before you start to add the grind combination of pepper. At this point, add the grind combination of pepper and the red bell pepper. Stir. Allow it to fry for 2 minutes. Add small seasoning to it. Yeah. Yeah, this is what you get. Now, scoop the teaspoon size of ball of egusi paste into the stew. Now stir it. You have to continually stir it so that it will not stick to the pot. If you are not careful, it will get burnt. Now add the dry fish and stir. Allow it to heat for some minutes before you start adding the stock water. Now put the meat and stir. This my egusi soup is going to be delicious. Deli. Hey my viewers, gather your fufu, gather your amala, gather all the gatherables. Let's do justice to this egusi soup. Now put small stock water. Just scoop it small before you start to pour everything. Yeah, and turn. Yeah, why I'm doing this, I want the egusi to be thick. I don't want to just pour everything immediately. I think the stock water is not much, so I'm going to pour everything with the stockfish. You know, I cook the stockfish with the meat. So now I'm going to pour both the water and the stockfish. Stir. If you're okay with the water, fine. If you're not too thick, you can add more water. But at this point, I think I'm okay with this water. Woo, I'm going to swallow apple. My people, you enjoy it. Egusi soup is one of my best soup. Egusi and which other one? I know you love other soup. Please, I would like to know in the comment section. Which soup do you really like? Please let me know in the comment section. I would like to make it next time. Okay? Allow it for 2 minutes before we start adding the veggies. Now I have to put the Okazi. Stir it. Just allow it for 2 minutes before we add the Uzuza leaf finally, in case of this soup is. So at this point I have to add the Uzuza leaf. Wow! Hey! This egusi has been heady. Woo! Oh my god! The soup passed all the classes, man. Please come and join me. Oh, we are going to do justice to this egusi. Yeah! So allow it to simmer just for 2 minutes. The soup is ready. Yeah guys, I know you enjoyed this video. If you really like it, please watch to the end of this video to get another style of egusi stew. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, comment, like and share. Yeah, comment also help us, you know, to know whether we are doing it right or not. So see you guys in my next video. Take care of yourself. Bye.